Gusto mong malaman kung anong hindi sinabi sa'yo? Akala ng karamihan, hindi sila magkakaroon ng bahay dahil wala silang malaking down payment. Pero ang totoo, may mga pamilya na nagsimula, nagpagawa with around 200,000 pesos lang. No traditional down payment, walang monthly amortization habang ginagawa pa ang bahay. Magbabayad ka lang pag turnover. At may bonus pa. Hindi mo kailangan ng upfront. More than 1.2 million pesos worth of professional services like design, sign plans, and permits, documentation, and supervision. Ito ay kasama na sa construction package. Mas gumagaan ang simula kapag supported ka. Ito ang Build Now Pay Later program. Start with around 200k, zero down payment. Pay only after turnover. If you have a lot and want to build without a huge down payment, check if you are qualified. Book your free consultation now. Message us or click the link below.